Hi everybody! Mayong buntag! Today is a wonderful day. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga manok ko. Yung alaga kong mga manok. Hey, chiki chiki! Yan. So here's the chicken coop. Hey, that's your water. Yan, malalaki na sila. So pinalibutan namin ng fence. We made up a fence. Pag umaga, maalis sila dito pag umaga. We're living like a forest place here. So, kasi malalaki na sila so they can fly out and they can find their own food too. Yan, may scarecrow kami. Kasi madaming mga hayop dito like hawks. Hey, chicken! Chicken, chicken, chicken! So they use this ramp here. They climb on the ramp and then they fly back to the coop. Or sometimes, hey, chicky, chicky! These are layers. Chicken layers. Ayan, nakalabas na sila. And they go everywhere. If they're tired, they come back. They eat their chicken feeds. And at night, they come back in their chicken coop. Yan ang may chipmunk. Ano ba yan? So they roam around everywhere. So here's my garden. These are my corns. Maybe they're about 4 feet tall. These are my potatoes. My sweet potatoes. My watermelon. My tomatoes. Ayan, kapag kapag yung mga chickens nakapasok sa garden ko, so ayan, yung mga tanim ko pinagkakalkal. These are the beans, the peas. I haven't harvested them yet lately, but like mga 2 weeks ago, I harvested some. So I put them in my soup, or if I make pancit. So a lot of animals come to my garden here and feast, like chipmunks or squirrels. Sometimes I even see 2 rabbits here, wild rabbits. So here's my tomatoes. Ang lalaki ng bunga nila, oh. Yan. They're like about my hand. Diba, laki? This is like, I think 2 months na siya. I started planting them 2 months ago. Yan. Oh, yan. They're so big. Nasira yung iba. The good thing about tomatoes, they grow so fast. And I have zucchinis. Yan yung zucchini ko. Sometimes we go out for about 2 days or 3 days. So nobody's coming here to water my plants. Kaya namamatay or nalalanta kahit mag-skip ka lang ng 1 day na hindi mo siya i-water. Nalalanta sila. Look at my watermelon. Here's my little watermelon. Ang cute. Meron sanang 2 or 3 ditong bunga, kaya lang ng watermelon. Kaya lang pinagkakain din ng animals. That's my first watermelon there. Ito, patatas. Sweet potato. Yung iba, kakatanim ko lang yung iba. Ito yung pumpkin. Ayan. Pumpkins. These are beets. I can't remember what was this. Yeah. These are my little carrots. These are my matured. Mature na sila na radish. Gulang. Tiguang ng radish. Yan. Peas. Di ko pa sila hina-harvest. These are the radishes. Yan. See that? But when I make soup, then I harvest their leaves. I mix them like when I'm making chicken vegetable soup or beef soup, vegetable soup. Ganito sila, hindi ko pa na-harvest. Malalaki na sila pero hindi ko pa sila hina-harvest. Yan. Diba? Pretty cool. No? Yan. So I'm hoping pagbalik ko andito pa sila lahat. I'll be vacationing in Philippines for a month. So sana buhay pa to lahat. Yan onions. Naglalagay ako ng mga traps dito. So these are my traps. Ito, cucumber. So tiny cucumber. Ano ba sa Bisaya or Tagalog ang ng cucumber? Upo. And these are fully matured radish. Nagpa-flower na nga sila. Oh. I think I saw some cucumbers growing here too. I pruned them. Kinat ko yung mga leaves na nag-yellowish. Kasi unhealthy. They are unhealthy. Saan ba yun? Ay, ito. Cucumber. Ang liliit pa nila. Yeah, these are my corns. They're about 4 feet tall now. Meron ako nakitang isang seeds dito na parang magiging mais na siya. Saan ba yun? Eto. Here, look at. Ayan. Yan ang mais. Corn. I've got another trap here I put. Yan, another trap. Mouse trap, squirrel trap, anything. Yan, hinarvest ko to last week. I just cut the leaves. Then put it in my fried rice. Ito, the hot pepper. Ayan. Hot pepper. Nag-harvest na din ako ng ilan dito. So if I see leaves like this, nagye-yellow, kinakat ko siya because they're unhealthy. And pag may tiyaga, may nilaga. And there are tomatoes here. I have tomatoes. Oh, cherry tomatoes. Mabilis lang silang tumubo din. At nagbubunga ng marami. So I harvested some too. I think that's it for now. I'm gonna miss my garden. Yung carrots. Yung iba, hindi na siya tumubo. Maybe I water them too much. Alright, people, I gotta go. I'll be having a busy day today. So see you in the Philippines. See you, Philippines, soon. Bye. God bless us all. Before I forget, please pray for us a safe trip. All right, thank you guys. God bless us all. Love you all.